Labubu, hide and seek, Singapore exclusive. Singapore's mascot, Merlion with Pop Mart's Labubu. Some calls this Merbubu. Today, let's do a comparison of the first generation versus the second generation. On my left is the fake Labubu. On my right is the real Labubu. Let's start the comparison of the first generation, Singapore exclusive Labubu, hide and seek series. The box size looks different. Let's measure it. The fake Labubu is 91.9 millimeters. The real Labubu is 100 millimeters. The first telltale sign that is a fake Labubu is, the QR code sticker is in front of the box. The monster's logo and Pop Mart looks similar. If you don't have the authentic Labubu, it's difficult to spot the difference. The fake Labubu has a lighter shade of blue. QR code sticker has been pasted on the wrong side. Let's unbox the real Labubu. Cute little pink nose. Let's count. There are 9 teeth. The arms are not adjustable. It bounced back to its original position. The details are amazing. Check the tag. The monsters. It has blue color label. Now, let's unbox the fake Labubu. The fake Labubu detached from the cardboard easily. It's different from the real Labubu. The fake Labubu has narrower white gap and bigger black eyes. Looks different. Different nose color. The blush tone is darker for the fake Labubu. The fake Labubu's smile line and teeth have very poor print quality. Fake Labubu has 10 teeth. Spelling mistake for the word Pop Mart. Seriously, the monsters is wrong too. Fake Labubu's label has darker blue tone. Spelling mistake for the word Pop Mart. The details looks different. Here's the second generation Labubu, Singapore exclusive, hide and seek series. Let's unbox the real Labubu. Do you think this second gen real Labubu looks the same as the first gen real Labubu? There is only two differences between the Gen 1 and Gen 2 Labubu, which I will reveal after we complete the comparison between the fake and real. Let's unbox this second generation fake Labubu. This definitely looks better than the first gen fake Labubu. This time the QR code sticker has been pasted correctly. Let's count. Even though it looks better than Gen 1, it still make the mistake of having 10 teeth. Same mistake as Gen 1, wrong spelling for Pop Mart. The monsters is also wrong. Spelling mistake for the word Pop Mart. Let's do a side-by-side comparison. Can you spot the difference? Real Labubu comparison. On my left is first generation. On my right is second generation. So what are the two differences between the Gen 1 versus Gen 2? First generation fur has slightly darker blue tone, compared to the second generation Labubu. Next, the labels are different. Gen 1, label is blue, the monster's logo is white. Gen 2, label is white, Pop Mart logo is blue, it has QR code to scan for authenticity. Different serial number. Different color. Please remember to smash the like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell, to be among the first to watch our video. Beware of counterfeit. Till then, happy toy collecting.